accidents happen. But breaking an iPhone is hard to swallow when repairs can cost as much as $599. It's why AppleCare Plus is so popular and expensive. Luckily, there's a more affordable warranty plan that still gives you the option to get your iPhone repaired at the Genius Bar. It doesn't limit the number of claims you can make either. If you didn't catch that, that's better service than AppleCare for a lower price. Upsie is a new and better way to protect your electronic devices. Instead of being pressured into buying a warranty at checkout, Upsie plans are purchased online at your convenience. All plan and coverage details are listed for you to review before you buy, including our low deductibles. We promise that you'll never be stuck with annoying hidden fees like other companies charge. We'll also store your receipt in your Upsie account, so you don't have to find it when you need to make a claim. Simply make a call 24/7, 365, and a real person will quickly pick up the phone at our service center in Florida. They'll approve your claim and repair your device as quickly as possible. HuffPost says, Upsie is transforming the warranty industry by bringing education, simplicity, and power back to the consumer. So what are you waiting for? Join the thousands of people making a smarter warranty decision with Upsie. Scroll down to learn more.